Hi, zombies. Look at this. It is before Halloween, and we are having a lovely blizzard. This is just too bizarre. I'm totally not used to this. We're going to take a ride to the Halloween store so I can get some fun croppage for tonight, and because I'm going to be doing my Halloween video tonight. Skeety is at the Army game at West Point today. They went by boat in this weather, and up in the Hudson Valley it's snowing even more than this, so I'm sure he's enjoying sitting out there very much. I will be back in a little bit with you. Let's go. The problem with storms this early in the season is that it's borderline ice, so you have to really be cool on the roads. I mean, in the winter at least it's not melting and freezing like immediately. When it falls, it just stays powder. Right now it's definitely, the roads are very wet, very slushy, very slippery. This is just so retarded. I'm just so not into this. Much too early. It really makes me want to put up the Christmas tree though. I am sure, even with this kind of weather, the Halloween store should be pretty crowded today, because you know how people always wait till the last minute. I've been here several times already this year. It's so fun to have it here.
The zombies have attacked. Just then a noise was at my door and my TV went black.
Getting worse. I can't believe this. I mean, I thought as the day went on it would get lighter, but look at this. This is ridiculous. This is the middle of the winter storm. Look at this. I just don't believe it, really. Oh, I don't know how they're going to get back from West Point. Wow, it's not even wiping off my windshield anymore. This is a true blizzard. This is insane. Getting worse and worse and worse. It's insane. This is going to ruin so many Halloween parties tonight. Oh my god. And I did talk to Skeety, and I believe that we're getting hit harder than the Hudson Valley, which is really strange. So they'll be okay. It's not going to be fun on the boat. He said it was a very rough ride up. And I got everything I need for later. Stocked up on a new brew that I haven't had before, a new Oktoberfest brew, which we will try. We're going to have some fun. It's a perfect night to stay in, let me tell you. I will see you all later with the Halloween Tinkie special. Have a magical, mystical, musical afternoon. I'll be back with you tonight. Bye. Oh man, this is getting really freaking dangerous. I am just not... Nobody's prepared for it at this time of year, so everybody's out on the roads. And because we had the hurricane recently, a lot of tree limbs have been damaged. And the heavy, heavy wet snow is bringing them down all over the place. Look at this. I gotta get my ass home. Oh my god, this is insane. This is really scary. Now, yeah, look how many branches are down. Wow. Wow, these people, there's a big one down in the street down there. That's why we're stuck. That's why the traffic isn't going anywhere. Holy shit. Oh shit, I want to get out from under these big ass trees. This is not fun. Wow, who knew? October, come on. This is insanity. And I see the branch or tree, whatever it is, laying in the street, so all the traffic's got to go around it. Everybody's moving super slow. There go the cops checking things out over there. Oh geez, there it is. Yep. right out into the street. A piece of that tree came down. Holy shit. Yeah, all these things were damaged in the hurricane previously. So the heavy snow is going to really hurt these trees. Wow. Oh, I'm scared. I'm more scared than if a zombie attack happened. This is insane. I don't want any trees falling on me. Oh, I'm not too far from home, so we will be there soon. I'm telling you, this is way more like Christmas than Halloween. Although it is a horror. Now there's another tree down right there. Another tree right there. And more over here. Oh my goodness. Wow, look at that. Oh my God. And all the fire trucks and cops are out and about. I don't know if you can see the flashing lights down there. Wow. Alright, hold on, I gotta call Scooty. He's texting me. Bye. Completely blocked over there. Oh my God. Now going down these little side streets is not fun because... Oh man. Hey guys, I made it home, but notice that tree there across the street is laying right on the wires. So, I mean, I don't have... My computer is out right now. So hopefully it won't get worse. I got 2 huge branches down in the back. And I don't want to go back there and show you because I don't want anything else falling on me. I went out there for a second before and I heard creaking. So look at the ice on that wire there coming into the house. Oh man, this is no fun. This is just ruining Halloween, isn't it? This is horrible, horrible. I don't want... I hope my power comes back. Well, anyway, I did charge the camera, so... But we'll have to see if I'm not too... Hear the creaking? Oh, Lord. That is so scary. The creaking is what freaks me out. Because any of those branches... This is the front of... This is across the street from me. That's the front of the house, and up the hill there's a lot of big trees. The trees we got in the back... Oh, I can't even see. I gotta go out in the snow. Oh, jeez. Okay. There's my trees. Look at that. Jesus. Oh, Lordy. I'm gonna be scared. My wisteria is hanging low. It's really weighted down, but the creaking is what's freaking me out. I hope I can relax enough to do my Halloween video with you guys. Oh God, this is the worst. This is worse than. I hear something falling. This is the worst storm. I mean, we had all those storms this winter. Nothing was like this. Nothing was like this because it's heavy, wet snow, and the leaves are still on the trees. So, you know what that means. Oh, extra weight. Skeety's going to be working a lot of overtime after this one. I'll tell you right now. I can't believe it's still coming down. Look, this is how much is on the ground. Look at that. Is that insane? October, okay? October, the cars are covered. This is totally abnormal. I hear it. You hear that crack? Holy crap, I hope it's not one of mine. Oh my God. I'm scared. I am scared shit. Alright guys, hopefully I'll see you later. Bye.